Today, we will be proving that cosecant squared x is equal to cotangent squared x plus sine x times cosecant x.
First, cosecant x is really equal to 1 over sine x. And since we're multiplying these sine x times 1 over sine x, we can make sine x over 1. And then we can multiply straight across. So sine x over sine x is really equal to 1. Next, we have cotangent squared x, which is really cotangent x times cotangent x. And cotangent x is really cosine x over sine x. And since we can multiply those, it would really be, well, cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared x, and sine x times sine x is sine squared x. So cotangent x times cotangent x is really cosine squared x over sine squared x. Now we need to change this 1. So we can change 1 to sine squared x over sine squared x, since sine squared x divided by sine squared x equals 1. Now that we have a common denominator, we can just add the numerators. And so it would be cosine squared x plus sine squared x over sine squared x. And because of the Pythagorean identity, we know that cosine squared x plus sine squared x is really equal to 1. So we have 1 over sine squared x. So now we're left with cosecant squared x equals 1 over sine squared x. And cosecant squared x is really cosecant x times cosecant x. And cosecant x is really 1 over sine x. So we have 1 over sine x times 1 over sine x is 1 over sine squared x. And we can multiply 1 by 1 to get 1, which is 1 over sine squared x. So we have 1 over sine squared x equals 1 over sine squared x. As you can see, they are the same shape.